Welcome to the Food Safety and Quality Team Food Preservation Series. In this video, we will learn safe water bath canning procedures. Let's get started. High-acid foods such as fruits, pickled products, jams, jellies, and preserves are processed in a water bath canner. A water bath canner is a large, deep pot that has a cover and a rack to sit the jars on. A large covered stock pot that is deep enough to allow water to cover the tops of the jars by 1 to 2 inches can also be used. A metal rack can be purchased wherever canning supplies are sold. Wash canning jars, lids, and bands in hot soapy water, rinse well, and keep jars hot. This can be done by using a dishwasher or by placing the jars in the water that is heating in the canner. Sterilization of jars is only necessary if you will be processing the product less than 10 minutes. The jars need to be kept hot to prevent breakage when they are filled with the hot product and placed in the canner for processing. Please use standard canning jars when making jams and jellies because of jar breakage from extremely hot product. Now for the boiling water bath procedure. Your canner should be about half full of clean, hot water and turned on high and simmer before placing the jars in. Load filled jars one at a time into the canner using a jar lifter. Place them on the rack, always keeping the hot jars upright. Add hot water if needed, so the water level is 1 to 2 inches above the top of the jars. Pour water around the jars, not directly on them, to prevent breakage. Turn the heat up to the highest setting, cover the canner with its lid, and heat until the water boils vigorously. Set the timer once the water is boiling for the total time required to process the food. When the jars have processed the proper time, turn off the heat, remove the canner lid, and wait 5 minutes before removing jars. Using a jar lifter, remove the jars one at a time. Do not tilt the jars. Carefully place hot jars right side up directly onto dry towels, a cake cooling rack, or any insulated surface to prevent jars from breaking on contact with a cold surface. Leave at least 1 inch between the jars during cooling. Avoid placing the jars in a cold draft and do not cover with towels. Let the jars of your product sit undisturbed for about 12 to 24 hours. Do not tighten the ring bands or push down on the center until the jars have completely cooled. Then clean and label your jars. The shelf life of your product is about 1 to 2 years.
For more information, check out our website at www.aces.edu.